What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy there back with another video, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. As you guys can see in the title, today we're gonna install Firefox. We're gonna install the new version of Firefox on our smart cloud TV Imperial, and let's get into it, guys. So guys, you can do it two ways. You either can go in the App Store or go into App Toby. We're gonna go into App Store. You can go in App Toby because it's the same features you're gonna see in this menu. Now we're gonna go across and we're gonna go on top apps, and we're gonna go to where we're gonna find where it say the new Firefox browser, fast, private, and safe web browser. So we're gonna install this web browser today on our smart cloud TV Imperial. We're gonna click OK on our remote, and here you will see you get the option to install it. And if you want to read up on it, you can do some more info. We got, this is the version 9.5.2.0, and we got 2 million download, and the zip file is this. So we're going to click install, and we're going to wait for that to install. So give it a couple seconds for it to install. You can, in the meanwhile it's installing, you can just come down here, and you will see, you will get all the infos on it, and you can look at the video that's right here. And it's fast, it's a safe browser, um similar to Google, but it's not Google, if you get what I mean. So we're just gonna allow this to install on our computer. So be patient, guys. Be patient. Be patient, and be patient, guys, and allow the download to complete. Don't touch anything on your computer. Don't try to cancel it or pause it or anything. Just let it download, and you will get. Okay. So we are reached at 90. So we're going down, and we're gonna let it install. So we reach 99. It reached 100. So as you guys can see, the app install. Do you want to install this application? We're gonna come down here to our right, and we're gonna click install, and we're gonna make the we're gonna make it install. So it's installing the app right now, and we're gonna wait till it finish. So give it a couple seconds. Just let it download. Now it's finished. We're gonna click done. We're not gonna open it. We're gonna click done, and we're gonna go back. We're gonna press C on our remote and go back. Then now we're gonna I want you guys to go where you see the plus sign right here. So click the plus sign, and then search for the app. Here it is, and we're gonna highlight it, and there it will pop up on your interface. Here it is. Alright, we're gonna open it. So the first time open it, you will get this menu here. So you guys can follow my steps, or just, this is your preference. This is what you would want if you want it. I want dark mode, so I'm gonna click it on dark mode and put the toolbar easy. So I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna use at the top. You can put it at the bottom, but I want my one at the top. This is your preference, guys. This is what you would want. If you have an account, you can sign up. You can sign up right here. If you want a video showing you how to sign up, I will do that. Okay. And yeah, this is all your preference. And so we want it at the top. We want the search bar at the top, and we want dark mode. And we're gonna keep this on standard default. We're gonna keep this on default, and let's start browsing. And here we got, this is the search bar that we place on top, and it's just like, you can search just like Google, cause it's Google. You can see up here, you can see at the top right on the left side, it's Google, but this is Firefox. And here you have Google right here. You can pin Google right here, and you can search anything that you want. You can search a YouTube and anything that you want. Alright guys, so this is how you install the Firefox browser on your smart cloud TV Imperial. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, please hit that bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.